Welcome back to our live video show. The third product we would like to introduce our floor standing microwave kitchen bake rack. This item is selling very well in recent 2 years, especially on e-commerce market. These two items the poster diameter is 19. These two are 19 poster diameter, and this item is is almost the same as Amazon basic product. 3 shelf with one wooden board and support hook rails. This one is the style is similar to Amazon basic product, and this is our main product for the kitchen bake rack on this video show. The top shelf is wooden board. So the price for these two, this one is cheaper a little than this. And the others are same, only different the wheels. This one with wheels, and this one is leveling feet. The size is 90 by 35. These two are same. And the item number for the Amazon basic similar product is CJB1507. And the item number for our main product is CJB1510W. The shelf loading weight is 40 kilo. 40 kilo. Shelf is the shelf space is adjustable. Besides these two items, we have a similar one. We have a similar one to recommend. This one, the surface finish is powder coating in silver gray. This is chrome. And the top wooden board, the color is different. This one color is gray, and this is a beige color. So our sales is now make the loading test 40 kilo. 40 kilo. Better to put water bottle at the bottom and the rice bag in the middle. So each water bottle bag is 50 kilo. Each rice bag is 5 kilo. And the third sales is this item. This one is different on the back ledge with 6 S-hook included. And the other 3 with support rail hooks. Besides, this top shelf is different. This one with PP mat, and this one is MDF board. The others are same. The shelf loading weight is also 40. For the poster diameter, we also have 25 poster for this size, 90 by 35. If you like 25 posts, you can tell to our sales, then we can quote for you. For the size, we also have small one. This small one also selling very well in the market. This small one, the size is 60 by 35. That one is 90 by 35. If you like 60 by 35, please tell us the item number CJB1503. These 5 kitchen base racks are selling very well in the market, especially on e-commerce market. If you like some of it, please tell us item number, and we would quote, and order quantity. We would quote our best price for you. So now we have to remove these 2 items, and for the next, the fourth introduce the product kitchen trolley.